Hi everyone, this is Khaled Gamadi. I will talk about usability tests in a white sheet. In this white sheet, I will talk about comparing between Mercedes-Benz and BMW website. Here I started with a table of contexts that include introduction, method and result, recommendation and conclusion, bibliology, and appendix. Here I started with introduction, where I will talk about this document is usually analysis of two German cars company, BMW and Mercedes-Benz websites. The websites were tested for customers' usability. This white paper will show each website were analyzed in 10 different tests to show which one is more pleasing and satisfying for the users. The users of the websites are typically customers who want to buy or looking for service after buying a car, after sales. Then I talked about the method where I used used my MacBook Pro 2018, and I start looking those websites, and the websites were too easy to understand and to apply all the methods. So I came up with 10 tasks for this. The first one, locate a dealer, creating a new account, build your own car, find a specific part. Fifth, access to customer service. 6. Find a car manual, find a economy car. 8. Pay bill. 9. Find information about road assist, and lastly, apply for a job. I used here 5 different critical to apply on my testing. The first one, effective, and the second one, efficiency. The third one, engaging. The fourth one, error tolerant. The last one, easy to learn. And I put a scale from 1 to 5 to show how strongly I agree and how strongly I disagree. Then I start with the result with each task as shown, with the photos and the scale and justification, and lastly a chart for each task. I went through that until I got to the last point, where I started to talk about the recommendation and conclusion. In conclusion, I would recommend Mercedes-Benz over BMW website due to the fact that I got a higher numbering in the result, 264 out of 250, which is a really high number. The Mercedes-Benz had their website easy to learn and easy to access for any users. Here is my website, BMW and Mercedes, and here is my appendix. Thank you so much. This is Khaled Gamadi, and you have a good day.